Hello, I'm Colleen Hines, and I launched the One Disperse product here at Higher One, which is a 12-week launch process. I have a story of an example of when I provided some high-touch service. Many of our schools are trying to get ready for fall refunds, and I had a summer where I was getting an ID ready for a school, and we tested the card at many locations on the campus, and we found some difficulty at the gym facility. So I offered my project manager some help working with the vendor as well as discussing the software, and we were able to find a workaround using the barcode scanner instead of trying to code a magstripe reader to read our card. We were able to make that work, test it successfully, ship out the cards in a timely fashion so the students were ready for their fall semester, and it was a seamless experience for the student with all the functions on campus working. This is just one of our stories of high-touch service at Higher One. Thank you for watching.